jitters.
What's the MPG on it?
Oh, we don't know.
They're guessing 8 because the fuel gauge is not accurate. We ran out of gas when we first got here.
Got a quarter tank.
You know a Christmas story?
Yeah.
When he says, Dad thinks he's in NASCAR. He loved when the tires went flat. That's how I feel right now.
You were good, man. You should be on an F1 team.
That was a dream at one point. Those guys all got doctorates.
This is the shoes that I told you.
Yeah.
Maybe for Italy.
I have a wife that tethers me back.
Okay, no problem.
1 flat tire,
One missing hug.
3 pit stops, P brakes. They're a real thing. I saw about 6 gators. None have eaten us, so that's good. Overheated for a while, but no boiling engines, no head gaskets, knock on wood. And then we may or may not have messed up the time travel. Well, I'm naturally hyped today.
Okay.
So
And he wonder why he has anxiety.
Oh, it's not a one. Between that and the alcohol, I'm like, and no sleep. When you Google anxiety symptoms or causes, it's like sleep is like one of the number ones. Diet, exercise. I don't do either of those. Alcohol, definitely do that. And then the caffeine and stimulants, And I have not a real bad heart condition, but a heart condition that is prone to that. So I was like, I just want answers to say you're fine, but really it's my own fault.
What's his name?
Claude the hawkhead parrot.
Wow.
It's a type of parrot. He is a hawkhead.
Very well trained.
Yeah, no, he wants to be with you, wants to go everywhere.
Really?
So, yeah.
That's awesome. How long have you had it?
22, a little over 22.
22?
Yeah.
Wow. That's amazing.
He likes meowing.
That's hilarious.
He used to watch the Animal Planet when he was little, so he picked up a meow.
Very well behaved. Thank you.
All right. You're welcome.
Appreciate
See
it.
ya.
Yeah, see ya.
Super tired and now I'm not.
He was in the Corvette. Unfortunately, that didn't make it.
Yeah.
Well, really?
The white one.
What happened?
That was in our class.
the fuel pump went out. So we were fortunate enough to be able to shift around to another car. So we took another car.
Okay.
We took another really rough car. We took a new Pista Spider.
That's a downgrade.
Well, yeah. So we went from hang on to relax.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Yeah, we had.
So I could ride in a Pista.
It's like it's almost immoral.
We have air conditioning in the Olds, and so I'm telling them we got this an automatic trans, air conditioning, big seat. It's gonna be a breeze. Well, it's been overheating. We've had the heat on full blast just to help, and it's like windows down, just sweat.
Chill, yeah.
And then at the end we were losing heat, so I'm like, oh, it's getting low. There's air in the system, So we got work to do.
Installing an electric fan because we keep overheating.
See how this is loose. Let's start it and rev it. Good. See how tomorrow does with the late night parking lot repairs from Zach and Derek.
O'Reilly's. Made it. End of day 3, end of the race, last leg. We made it from West Palm Beach all the way down back to Miami. Went on Ocean Avenue, went by the Versace mansion, and now we're at the Miami Pier. The car just needs to start one more time to get through the gate and we'll be done. Overheating issues seem to be all solved. We rewired the fan, burped the system, so I think it's working good today.
Said it perfectly. I think we're all overheating and it's time for a cocktail. Celebrations. That's a wrap.
Did it!
I thought they should